The Philharmonic Orchestra of Hamburg presents Sounds of Hamburg. A slightly unusual website because it's live from cameras all over Hamburg. So very live that you can play it in real time. The key? By clicking on moving objects, you can assign instruments to them so they make music. And there's more. You can also choose certain areas and connect them to instruments. Ships, cars, even fish will trigger them in a unique new way, helping you to compose your own symphony. But how is this possible? A special algorithm tracks the motion of the live feed and interprets it musically. Before the site went online, a composer wrote scores for every location, supporting every instrument with enough musical phrases to create infinite possibilities for composing. Afterwards, the Philharmonic Orchestra of Hamburg recorded the scores and the technical crew installed webcams on the roofs of the city, all to bring Hamburg's music to life. Try it for yourself, live on Sounds of Hamburg.de.